Hello, it's me, Mélissa, your Arts for All teaching artist. In this video, we will be reviewing the book, Giraffes Can't Dance, and then we'll be learning some of the dance styles mentioned in the book. But first, let's warm up our bodies. As we warm up, feel free to copy me as best you can. If you need to change any of the movements to feel more comfortable in your own body, go ahead and do that. Make sure that you're staying safe in your space.
Start by reaching over to one side and stretch. Stretch to one side and stretch over. Reach to the other side. Reach and stretch. Then bend your knees and open your arms wide. And twist. And twist. Again, reach and stretch, reach and stretch. And to the other side, reach and stretch, reach and stretch. Bend your knees and open your arms wide. And twist. To the other side, twist. Now look up to the ceiling, look down to your toes. Look up to the ceiling, look down to your toes. To the ceiling, to your toes, to the ceiling, to your toes. Ceiling, toes, ceiling, toes, ceiling, toes, ceiling, toes. Now nod your head. Say yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Look over one shoulder. Look over your other shoulder. Look over one shoulder, over your other shoulder. Look from shoulder to shoulder, shoulder to shoulder. Look from shoulder, 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 shoulder. Shake your head. Say no. And roll your shoulders back. Roll your shoulders. Roll those shoulders. And now, let's move our shoulders in the other direction. Move your shoulders forward. Roll your shoulders forward, forward. And now let's move your shoulders like a bicycle. Move your shoulders in opposite directions. And switch directions. Bicycle your shoulders the other way. Now we're going to move our chest to the front, to the side, to the back, to the other side. We're isolating our chest and coming back to center each time. Front, center, side, center, back, center, side, center. Front, side, back, and side. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Now let's move our hips. We're going to hip bump in one direction 8 times. Then we'll hip bump the other direction 8 times. Then 4 times each way. 4 times. Then we'll hip bump 2 times in each direction. 2 times. Then 1 hip bump in each direction. Ready? We'll go 8, 4, 2, then 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now shake it out. Shake your entire body. Shake your hands, your feet, your head, your face. Shake, 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 shake.
In the book, Giraffes Can't Dance, we meet our main character, Gerald. The story takes place on the day of the yearly jungle dance. All of the jungle animals are doing these amazing dances. And Gerald, who we've learned is very clumsy, bravely steps onto the dance floor. When all of the other animals start laughing at him, making fun of him, and calling him silly because he can't dance. This makes Gerald feel very alone and sad. So he leaves the jungle dance and finds a clearing. He looks up at the sky and thinks it's so beautiful. That's where he meets the cricket. The cricket encourages Gerald to listen to the sounds around him and to find his own music. And once Gerald does, his body starts moving in ways it never had moved before, and Gerald surprises himself and all of the other jungle animals by being an amazing dancer after all. All of the jungle animals are asking Gerald, "How did you learn to dance like this? This is amazing." And that's when Gerald says, "We all can dance when we find music that we love." Let's take a closer look at the book. Let's look at the dance styles that the jungle animals do. The warthogs are waltzing. The rhinos rock and rolled. The lions dance a tango that is both elegant and bold. The chimps do a cha-cha. And 8 baboons team up for a Scottish reel. Now we're going to learn 3 dance styles from the book. First is the waltz. To do the waltz, you have to stand very tall, and you can bring your arms up like this. You can imagine that you have a partner that you're dancing with. We're going to relax our shoulders, bring our arms up, stand up tall, and sway. Now, the rhythm for the waltz is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It matches the rhythm of the words waltz with me, waltz with me, waltz with me, waltz with me. You step with the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Waltz with me, waltz with me, waltz with me, waltz with me. The steps are open and 2 steps together. Open and 2 steps together. And you can go in different directions and sway as you go. Now, will you waltz with me? The next dance style is the cha-cha. The rhythm of the cha-cha is 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Give that a try. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Just like in the waltz, your feet move on each beat. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. And this time, your hips are making little circles, and you can make those circles with your hands as well. Let's practice moving our hips on the rhythm. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Now let's do the hips and the feet together. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Now you can go in different directions. We can do side step, cha-cha-cha. Side step, cha-cha-cha. Try side step, cha-cha-cha. Side step, cha-cha-cha. Go front, cha-cha-cha. Front, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. You can go back step, cha-cha-cha. Back step, cha-cha-cha. Back step, cha-cha-cha. You can go in any direction. You can spin, you can go up, you can go down, any way you want. Let's cha-cha. The last dance we're going to look at is the tango. The lions dance a tango that is elegant and bold. For the tango, we're going to focus on shapes. We're going to use very straight and jagged lines and triangles. There's a triangle in my arm. When I take a very sharp step, there's a triangle in my leg as well. So for the tango, we're making straight, sharp lines and triangles and sharp movements like with your head. So play around with making triangle shapes when you walk with your arms and sharp movements with your head. All right, will you tango with me? Well, that's fun. What's your favorite dance style or dance move? Let's play a game of freeze dance using the styles of dance we learned from the book. You can dance the styles like we learned them or move your body any way you like until the music stops. Then you freeze. Here's something to think about and talk about once this video ends. In the beginning of the book, Gerald is not a very good dancer, but by the end of the book, he is. What is something that you are not very good at yet, but you would like to become better at? How do you think you could become better at that thing? To close out this video, let's take 3 deep breaths together.